We put a customer who has got particular requirements in touch with a bank or a finance company who have got a particular appetite. And that's a skill. We know who's in the market and we match one to the other. We started First Independent Finance in 1999. I had previously been with Barclays. I'd been a regional manager with Barclays in a couple of the divisions. I had the idea that if we could take all the good bits out of various finance companies and represent those good bits to a client, it'd be a very powerful product offering.
From the 1st of April 2014, the consumer credit industry has been regulated by the newly formed Financial Conduct Authority. Anyone who wishes to carry out consumer credit activities must apply for permission to do so.
It affects everyone in our business, and therefore we're very keen to ensure that all people are involved and at the very least aware of what's going on and what it means for them. Primarily it's been information gathering process currently in terms of preparing a regulatory business plan. There's a vast suite of information that we have to provide, be it financial information, compliance procedures, risk mitigation, financial requirements. So it's broad-reaching and it touches every aspect of the business.
First Independent operates nationwide, right across the UK, with brokers in all key areas.
The business plan right from the very beginning, when we started up, was that we would have UK coverage.
I've been working in the banking and asset finance industry for over 25 years now. And I was very pleased to have the opportunity to move to First Independent earlier this year when I was looking for a new role which gave me a little bit more diversity in terms of the types of customers I deal with and the number and breadth of facilities that I can offer to those customers. And I feel that I now have an excellent armoury of facilities to offer to my customers.
When new salespeople start with us, we had somebody recently that had a list of their customers that they've dealt with in the past. So because of our systems, we integrated all their information onto our system. We worked really closely with them. He phoned some, we phoned some, and it was just building up the relationship now that he's now with us and showing the customers what we can do for them.
Perhaps the more important thing is that First Independent offer a service which, for example, the banks don't. We get to talk to human beings and we get a timely response.
And the team that are based at Stewarton are without parallel, very, very good indeed. I've got an excellent relationship with them and they really look after me properly. It's the business development department who are constantly looking for new opportunities for me, and I can say in all truthfulness that they are identifying opportunities with people who I have always wanted to deal with and presenting them to me on a pretty regular basis. So it helps me develop my patch more and more all the time.
We are working on things whereby we can say to customers who perhaps need a simpler requirement, we'll give you what you need online. And for the things where you really need a human intervention, you'll have that too. It's your choice. So we're not pushing people a particular way, we're giving them access to how the market is more likely to work in the future. So when you phone our office, you will always get a human being. And you will always get someone who refers to you by name. Simple little things. And if you need help, we'll give it. And customers are going to realise that. So trust, choice, support, crucial. But at the end of the day, the customer's got to want to come back to you. And he comes back to you because once he's dealt with you once, he feels that he's made a confident choice. And trust, choice, support, helping people make confident choices. That's what it's about.